The Russian Navy has officially commissioned the nuclear-powered submarine Arkhangelsk. The Arkhangelsk submarine is latest addition to Yasen M fourth-generation submarines capable of effectively hitting both sea and coastal targets. The submarine features latest military technology, naval weaponry, radio-electronic systems and upgraded power plants. U.S. Army's Terminal High Altitude Area Defense System successfully intercepted a ballistic missile launched by Houthi forces from Yemen targeting Israel. This marks first operational use of TOD system in Israeli territory. TOD is a long-range air defense system designed to intercept and destroy ballistic missiles during their terminal phase of flight. China's WZ-9 Divine Eagle unmanned aerial vehicle designed for anti-stealth missions was recently spotted in flight. The WZ-9 Divine Eagle showcases its unique twin fuselage design and advanced radar capabilities, marking a significant leap in China's efforts to counter stealth aircraft on the modern battlefield. Ukrainian forces have successfully outfitted first-person view drones with miniature cannons, enabling them to intercept and destroy Russian UAVs in mid-flight. By adding a weapon system, Ukrainian engineers have effectively transformed them into multi-role platforms capable of both reconnaissance and interception.